this video, I'm going to show you how to make $5,000 within the next 7 days as an online trainer. I'm well suited to teach you this because I made my first million as an online trainer, maybe 11 years ago. I built it into a multi-7-figure business. I now teach people how to grow their online fitness business too. I've taught over 15,000 people how to grow successful online fitness business. We're going to get the fast track. This ain't going to be no wait forever to make money. I'm going to show you how to get it popping immediately. $5,000 in 7 days. All right, we're not going to be using ads. We're not going to be building some complicated funnel or no complicated website or nothing like that. To do this, you don't need a certification. Gyms only want you to be certified for like insurance reasons. You don't need no complex funnels. All right, you're not going to be selling ebooks or courses or apps. Right, you don't need to have a fucking degree kinesthesiology. What you do need is this won't work if you fat. You got to look the part. You got to get ripped. You gotta get shredded. I have mad videos on how to get ripped. I got one that did really well showing people how to lose 14 pounds in 2 weeks. Do that, then come back to me, all right? You gotta have a basic knowledge of fitness, of nutrition, a smartphone, and you gotta be motivated. So let me show you what the math looks like for growing your online fitness business, okay? The reason we don't want to sell ebooks, because you would have to sell, like the average ebook is like $10, right? You'd have to sell like 500 ebooks to make 5K. You probably ain't sold 500 of anything. That's gonna be a dubious proposition at best. You don't want to sell courses, right? Like a video course and nothing like that, because the average video course sells at like $50. The average course, some are more expensive, some are less, but the average is like $50. You'd have to sell 100, you probably ain't sold 100 of anything. But online training, there's a few different pricing tiers I'll explain to you, but one of them is $1,000 for 16 weeks of training. You only need to sell 5 of these to make 5K. Some of you may be thinking that's a lot of money for online training. That's because you broke. That's because you poor. I used to work at Equinox and lots of other big name gyms all around the country. And when you see people working with trainers in those gyms, they're paying like sometimes $300 for the hour, right? And you got to see that person 2 or 3 times a week, right? Let's say you're seeing them 3 times a week and you're spending $900 for a week. And they're not even getting the best service, right? Because I'm gonna show you in this video how online training is actually a better product than in-person training. You could actually get better results for in-person clients than you can for online clients. So there's different pricing tiers, right? Obviously 16 weeks, you can sell 1,000. You only need to sell 5 of these, right? Say you do it monthly instead of 16 weeks, right? Everybody might not have this up front. It's cool. You can sell $300 a month, or you can do $80 a week. You can just charge weekly. $80 a week is cool, man. Imagine, I'm gonna go beyond this 7 days for a second. If you had 25 clients paying you $80 a week and you kept an average of 25 clients for 52 weeks, you'd make $104,000 a year. The average American makes around $60,000 a year, right? So you're doing almost double with just 25 clients. We're gonna go for this. If we get this, that's fine. But we're gonna go for this in these next 5 days. Now, there's a few things we're gonna do. First you're gonna do is, remember, we only need 5 people. So you don't need a huge following for this. So what you wanna do is, we're gonna focus on your existing followers and your friends and family. If you do the other things I'll tell you how to do in this video, you'll actually grow your following during these 7 days as well. With your friends and family, you can just text them. Yo, what up, Uncle Marcus? Yo, I'm starting my online fitness business, man. You interested in being one of my clients? Right? Actually just hit them up. There's 3 types of posts you're gonna post over these next 7 days. One is called the voiceover, the other is the walk and talk, and the other is the transformation. The first one is going to be called the voiceover. So this is one of my students, Kelly Nicole Fit. Kelly made about $2 million last year as an online trainer. She's been one of my students for about 5 years now. This is the voiceover style. Hopefully y'all can hear it. So she goes,
these are the 4 most underrated things you should be doing if you want to lean out your core like this. Number 1, get enough sleep. Not getting enough sleep will cause you to feel and look inflamed and lead to poor recovery from your workouts. Not to mention, if you don't get enough sleep, you're also going to be hungrier, which will make hitting your protocols a lot harder. Number 2, make sure all of your meals have fat in them. Fat digests the slowest, meaning it will keep you fullest for longest. When you're in a deficit, this will help you stay on track of your protocols instead of being hungry 30 minutes after you eat. Number 3, have meals, not snacks. Snacks are pretty calorie dense and typically low volume, meaning they're not going to keep you very full after you eat them. If you want to make sure that you're feeling satiated throughout the day, then it's important to have an actual meal. Number 4, take a weekly or bi-weekly free meal so you can satisfy your cravings while staying on track for your goals. Do you want results like these? Just comment fat loss below for our free fat loss ebook showing you exactly how to get it.
She's showing B-roll of herself and she's voicing over, right? So you can do this in CapCut. This is one of the easiest styles of videos. The next one is called, this is like a walk and talk style video. This is one of my students. He's been with me for a few years now, right? He started off, he was super broke, right? But this is, I call this the walk and talk. So basically you're giving advice while walking. Steps, calories,
fluids, how much you weigh, body fat percentage, everything you can get your hands on, so you have the most control over how you can manipulate those things over time as you see how your body responds to it. Number 2, eat less.
So basically he's giving advice while walking. And it's cool when you go outside. I've read some studies that show that making videos outside actually gets better engagement than inside. I don't know how true that is. It's just something I've seen. You want to do a transformation style video. It can be either your transformation, or if you train people before, even if you train them on person, you can do this style of video. This is one of my students. So here's one of the transformation videos.
I'm of 3, and when she came to me, she was doing all the things. Cutting calories, fasting, working out for hours, trying to burn it off like she used to, but nothing was working anymore. Until we switched things up. More calories, higher protein, shorter workouts, and real accountability. Now she's toned, lean, more energized. And can we talk about these results? We're wearing backless dresses all summer. And if you want to know exactly how I get these kind of results with my clients, comment fat loss below and I'll send you my free guide.
So that's how those videos work. You can tell your story of how you got in shape, or if you got a client, you can use those. Those are the styles of videos that we're gonna focus on for these next 5 days. If you don't have a transformation, whatever, you're gonna focus on the other 2, right? You're gonna give advice, but at the end, instead of asking people to coach with you, trying to sell or saying, hey man, come be one of my clients or hire me as your coach, what you're gonna do is you're gonna offer them a free guide that'll show them how to accomplish their goals. It's very important. And let me show you how to put that together. Basically, what you want to do is you can open up ChatGPT and say, hey, I need to write a 6-pack by summer guide, or whatever it is you're gonna put together. You tell them you want to write that, and then say, hey, interview me and ask me questions one at a time. Once you have enough information, write the guide for me. When you do it like this, what's going to happen is it's going to write it with the responses you give it. It's extracting your knowledge and just putting it into like a book format. What's important about that prompt is to have it ask you the questions one at a time. If you don't say ask it one at a time, what's gonna happen is it's gonna just dump a bunch of questions on you. When you ask the questions one at a time, it starts to ask questions based off the context you gave it. Like it starts to build off the answers you give it. And it asks more thoughtful questions, or more questions that make more sense in context. You print the shit out, or you copy it and you paste it in something called Gamma AI. Here you go here, plain text. All right, you paste it in here. Boom. Then you hit preserve this exact text. I always pick this red and black one. This one I like the best, but there's different ones. You're gonna get different options here. Hit generate. And this is the cool thing about Gamma. It just builds it for you. Now it's my exact text, right? And let me be clear. The reason we want to give something away is for 2 reasons, right? We tell them to comment a word if they want to get our free guide. And the actual comments and Instagram will view as engagement, right? So it's going to help boost our post. But also, once we DM them the free guide, now we start a conversation with them. I mean, we want to make it good, but the real goal of it is to start a conversation with them. And then from that conversation, we book them on a sales call, right? Because nobody's going to give you $1,000 over the DM, right? You got to get them on a sales call. So we're going to let that cook in the background. So that's how you're going to make the free guide that you're going to give away. You don't have to pitch in the video. You don't have to pitch in the reel. All you're gonna do is say in the real, comment whatever for my free fellows or whatever the thing is. You don't have to manually hit everyone back. When big influencers are doing this, they're not manually DMing everyone. At least initially, they're using either Go High Level or ManyChat typically, and you can set it up so when someone comments this word, it sends them the free guide. So that's another tool you can use. After they get the free guide, then you DM them something like, "Hey man, I saw you commented. I saw you commented whatever word. Tell me more about your goals," right? Boom. And then, they're going to tell you about your goals and say, yo, how long have you been working on that? How long have you been trying to accomplish that? And maybe ask them, hey man, what do you think's been preventing you from accomplishing that goal? And boom. All right, yo, listen, I think I can help you out. Let's hop on a Zoom call and I can break down a game plan for you. Then you send them a Zoom link. You get on it and then you sell them your coaching. And this is not a lie when you say it's free. Like you can give them a game plan, but say, hey, you want to help implementing that. Because you're going to tell them, oh, you got to be in caloric deficit. You got to do this, right? But they're not going to do it. We don't pitch in the DM. We only pitch on the Zoom call. And then boom, here's what you're going to give them. Here's the fulfillment. In-person training, they only focus on the workouts. So you're only with them an hour a day, right? No trainer is actually tracking their macros for their clients. I've never seen it. You basically pay the in-person trainer for the hour. like a hooker, like a whore. But what we're going to do is we're going to flip it. They're going to work out and they're going to eat on their own. They're going to do everything on their own. We're going to give them the diet plan. We're going to give them the workout plan and tell them the macros. Our job is to make sure they accomplish it, make sure they do it. So we're going to text our clients every day, every morning, and we're going to set up a way to track it. You could use Trainerize or some sort of app like that, or you can have them track it in an Apple Note, right? And have them share with you, or a Google Doc. You need a way where you can see in real time what they're eating every day and make sure they're tracking it. You can't out train a bad diet, but you can out diet bad training. We're not worried about their motherfucking form and shit. And if you do, remember, diet's the most important part. That's why I think in-person training is an inferior product to online training, because in-person trainers neglect the most important part, which is the diet. Right? You've seen motherfuckers in their gym. Some motherfuckers in the gym for years, but they're in there week after week. They look exactly the same. Some of them are y'all. The reason they don't make progress is because their diet is off. Daily check-ins, right? So the client can input their shit on MyFitnessPal. If you want, you could have it something like Trainerize that links with it, or they could just text you a screenshot of their macros each day. You know what I'm saying? Like if you want to keep it super simple, or some sort of Google Sheet. When I first started, I set up Google Sheets with it. That's what it is. It's really about accountability. So there was a study done at Duke University where they had a bunch of fat people. They didn't give them no diet plan or workout plan. And they told them, hey, just track your calories, track your macros. And in 90 days, they lost an average of 5 pounds with no plan, no workout plan, no diet plan. They just said, track your calories. What happened is they lost weight because they were more mindful of what they were eating instead of just putting anything in their mouth like a whore. It gave them nothing and they lost weight. You can give a plan that's better than nothing, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to check on them every morning, make sure their macros is good. If you have something like automatic, like a Google Sheet, then you'll be able to see it. Or if you have Trainerize or something like that, and you want to give them positive reinforcement if they hit their goals and negative reinforcement if they didn't. So if they hit their goals for that day, the day before, yo man, good job hitting your macros. Let's keep that up. Let's keep that momentum going. If they did not, you got to say, hey man, what happened yesterday? What can we do to help you get back on track? And this reinforcement, they're going to work better because they're going to know that somebody's actually keeping them accountable. Does that make sense? Day one, text all your friends and family that may be interested, all the fatties. Also, day one, you're going to build your PDF. You're going to give away your free guide. Shouldn't take you more than 90 minutes. Day one, you should also start filming these reels. I'm going to post 2 or 3 reels per day. Everybody who shows any interest, you DM them and then get them on calls. If you do this right, man, you should be able to get 5 clients in 7 days. We've seen it happen before.